Welcome to AI Traders live market analysis using artificial intelligence to find high probability trades. There's a brief disclaimer. I'm Richard Miller. I'll be presenting today's AI Traders Live. We'll be focusing on 4 artificial intelligence trading strategies: major market reversal, classic swing trades, volatility breakouts, and quick 3-day moves. We use the Fulgent AI engine that sits on the MetaStock platform. Just to recap, this AI does 10 to the power of 200 different possible combinations of stock market indicated market relationships using genetic algorithms. So it's doing a tremendous amount of computing power to come up with those 4 AI trading strategies. Jumping straight into the MetaStock platform, I've got the Fulgent AI engine running in the background. Did the screen earlier, took about 6 minutes, 5.59, 6 minutes to run through the NASDAQ 100. There's 60 positions where the AI is either in a long or in a short, and 42 rejects, meaning these stocks have recently either hit a profit target or a trailing stop loss. Now, the AI engine that I'm using for this particular presentation is the NASDAQ 100 AI that I've trained and developed. The major market reversal signal has got a probability of success of 77% with an average profit per trade of 19% over the testing period. This involves thousands of trades. Quick move is a nice swing trade strategy that's on average 65% accurate with 1.8% average profit per trade, also over thousands of trades in the testing period. The swing trade is a 68% accurate AI with 6.7% average profit per trade, and the volatility breakout signal is a 54% on average with a 3.4% average profit per trade. So you can see these trading statistics are exceptionally high in terms of probability of success, and that's the AI engine that I've used. Now, here are the winners. A 1 in the long column tells you the AI is either in a long position there. I see mostly longs. And hits bars tells you how old the trade is. So I sorted the list from most recent signals to older. Hits tells you how many times in the testing period, over thousands of testing data points, did this particular trade setup occur. Now it's 105, which is the volatility breakout signal here. That occurred 7,000 times, roughly 7,095 times, with an average accuracy of 65% with 2.36% as the average profit per trade over the testing period. Now, the testing period involves thousands of trading points, at least 10,000 trading days in a particular instrument, for example. So we've got the winners here: INCY, Atlassian, Cadence Design, eBay, Gilead, Intuit, ISRG, KPD, Moderna, Marvel Technology, Walgreens, and we'll go through a few of the major names. Some of the other ones that's in a long trade. Checkpoint Software has been in here. Tesla has been in here for a long time. That's worked out well. Zoom's also been in here for a while now. AMD, Trip, Sirius, NetEase, Starbucks, etc. You can see some of these trades are in for a couple of days longer. NVDA is now in for 12 days into a trade there with a signal of 104 as a classic swing trade. So you can see the AI is generating some fantastic returns using the artificial intelligence engine. But let's jump straight into the individual stocks, and we're going to look at, let's say, the top 10 for the purposes of this presentation. Now, before we look at the individual stocks, let's go and review the NASDAQ 100 index itself. You can see the AI has generated fantastic returns. We had a nice March to August rally there, captured that entire move. Then the September-October move we caught. And then February, there's a little bit more choppy trade as the volatility started to increase more towards the top end of the chart here. There were 2, captured that June-July move, August one, and then their last swing trade there got stopped out, and then the AI generated a sell signal there, and now we've got a new quick move. Now the quick move signal is only a 3 to 4 day move, so be aware of that. This gap there, these old highs there, support levels, can be now the resistance level. So the AI is only in a short-term trade on the actual index itself, so just keep that in mind. But this comes after a tremendous generating tremendous returns over the last 18 months using the artificial intelligence engine. Now, if I minimize this, I'm going to look at the NASDAQ QQQ ETF. So we can see also captured some really good moves on the ETF specifically. But the NASDAQ index signals from the futures trading perspective generated slightly better returns overall. Now, on an intraday basis, the QQQ is generating some choppy trades, but certainly for the swing traders, intraday swing traders, there's been quite a lot of nice positive trades on the intraday basis trading the QQQ and the NASDAQ. So let's go and look at the top 10 here that's in the list. And we'll look at them. These are all one with the most recent trades on. So there is KPD. Had a volatility breakout signal before, moved sideways, hit the stop loss, and now on an intraday basis, we've got a new signal there. So let's just see where it comes through. It's a fresh signal, that's why it's actually not still on the chart, but the AI has generated it. So you can see we've got a volatility breakout on KDP, and that should come up on the chart any day now. And the next one is Moderna. We've got a volatility breakout on Moderna. You can see we captured the entire run up in Moderna using the AI, got you out right at the top here, and a quick volatility breakout and another sell signal there. Two losing trades there, sorry, one losing trade on that upside, a few winning trades, and now we have a new trailing stop here. There's a risk adjusted trailing stop here around about the, let's see that level there, 282, and then the upside potential would be this gap that was this gap that opened up is the upside profit target, and then that support level there. These are the upside profit targets for the particular trade. So that's the stop loss there, 282, with the next upside target just under 380 for a profit target on Moderna. MRNA is the ticker there. Next up is INCY, NCY. INCY is the ticker. We've got a volatility breakout there. Here is the trailing stop loss at 62.49, and then your upside profit targets will be this resistance zone over there, and then your second level would be this gap to be closed, and that support level that was broken there. Now the INCY signal is an AI signal of 105, which is a volatility breakout. This is on average 65% accurate, occurred 7,000 times in the testing period on this particular stock. So it's quite a great trading strategy. Insight Corporation. Next up is Team Atlassian Corp. Let's check that one. Swing trade at the top in the chart. You can see the last swing trade lasted many months. Huge move, captured a lovely move there. So yeah, is a new swing trade, trailing stop loss at 350. That's quite a wide one. Volatility adjusts for that, and then your old highs here would be your first profit target to the upside. But what a fantastic return here. This March swing trade, huge run up, captured that entire move to the upside in Team. Right, next up is Cadence Design. Volatility breakout here, captured that entire move to the upside. June, July, and August, a lovely rally. We now have a sell signal there at the top and a new volatility breakout signal. And I suspect the stop loss is very close to these levels here at 104, 105 there. And your upside target would be these old highs, that support level that was broken there. So there's a volatility breakout coming in Cadence Design. Next up is eBay. Lovely trades on eBay. You can see over the last couple of months, if you were just trading eBay, you would have done pretty well. June, July, August, lovely swing trades, volatility breakouts. Look at that swing trade, lovely one there. Volatility breakout there. That one got stopped out, but the AI immediately issued a new one as the trade setup occurred. The trailing stop here is at 66, and then your upside profit targets would be this old resistance level there, just around about 74. And then 75, and ultimately the ultimate high there is your upside resistance targets in eBay. But a fantastic signal, fantastic AI to use to trade eBay, for example. Next up is Gilead Sciences, GILD. Quick move to the upside. The last volatility breakout got stopped out there, depending on how long your trading days, how long you want to stay in a trade, for example. But you can see lots of great volatility breakout swings, volatility swing trades on this one. Quick move to the upside. Now, quick move is a 3-day holding period, so we suspect this is the swing trade back up to the bottom end of that support level that's now a new resistance zone. So that's kind of the upside target we're looking for, just around about the 70 level there in this one. So volatility break, a quick move is a 3-day holding period, basically, from an AI trading perspective. Next up is ISRG, the surgical supplies company. A fantastic volatility breakout back here in May, June, July, and August. You captured that entire move. We've got a new volatility breakout there with a trailing stop here at just under 323 is the trailing stop, and the upside profit targets would be this level there, first one, and then the old high there, and then the next resistance zone would be the ultimate top. Yeah, so that's the volatility breakout swing to the upside in ISRG. There's a swing trade on Walgreen Boots, fantastic here. You can see the AIs generate some fantastic trades, particularly in the swing trade and volatility breakouts. Trading WBA. The trading stop is just around about the $43 there, with the old resistance zone there as your first stop for a profit target, and then the rest of the trade can last up to the 52 level. So these are the two upside profit targets for this particular swing trade in Walgreen Boots. Just to illustrate the power of the AI, look how VRSK Analytics, VRSK, look at this beautiful swing trade back here in March, lasted many, many months. And then you had a volatility breakout there. That didn't work out so well. The quick move worked out. The second volatility breakout worked out. And then the June, July, August captured that entire rally with the AI. Trading stop loss moved up as we went along, and then the AI generated its own sell signal. You don't always have to follow the trailing stop loss of the AI. You can have your own trading stop loss according to your own risk management principles. But just see how powerful the AI is. Let's go and take a look at Google. Now, Google, the AI has generated some fantastic trades here. We can see back in March, it was a major market reversal. Captured the March, April, May, June, July move. Then the September, October rally. Back here, January, February, nice little rally there. Then May, June, July, captured that entire move. There was a late stage swing trade that got stopped out depending on what your trailing stop was. But you can see how powerful the AI has been using it to trade Google alone, for example. Trading Microsoft using artificial intelligence. You can see lots of volatility breakout trades here. Volatility June, July, August captured a lovely rally. The last one there got stopped out, and we have a new volatility breakout. Will be interesting to see if it's going to get a follow through on that, and the upside target there would be these old highs for Microsoft, for example. Let's go and take a look at DXCon, for example. This one is an AI that's trading statistics here. Hold on, let me just drag this across. DXCon is a 66% on average probability of success. This particular trade setup occurred 6,700 times out of thousands of trades on this particular stock, so it's a pretty powerful AI to have. It's number 104, which is the classic swing trades. You can see a beautiful rally, quick move to the upside there, depending on what your trading stop was. Captured that entire move, then a volatility breakout there. Swing trade there, look how quick that one was. Still in a swing trade, there's a trailing stop here just between 500 and 495.55, 495 basically, and then your old high here would be your profit target level there, and that level there. So swing trade, but you can see historically major market reversal here in November, classic move, captured a fantastic move there, volatility breakout in March, April, huge move there, beautiful move. Now when the AI sells, you can also use that as sometimes as a short signal, but I wouldn't necessarily short in this current market. There's just too much liquidity around. Let's take a look at CrowdStrike, CRWD, one of my favorite positions that I often trade. You can see a fantastic trade, major market reversal back here in March, captured that entire move. And then another big move, October, November, December into 2021. A little bit of choppy trade within that base formation, you can see, but that volatility breakout worked out well. Major market reversal there got stopped out, and then it generated a new one with a very wide stop loss. Swing trade there worked out. Major market reversal there worked out. Volatility breakout. So you can see it's generating some fantastic returns on trading cybersecurity company CRWD CrowdStrike. We have a new signal on it. Volatility breakout with a trailing stop loss at 235. Here's another great name that I trade, NVDA. Fantastic move, captured this April, May, June, July rally. Beautiful rally there. Then a swing trade that lasted many, many months as the stock was coming out of this base. Another swing trade there. Volatility breakout. And this volatility breakout lasted for about 2 months. And then banked that profit move. Then another swing trade to capture the ultimate high there. And now we've got a new quick move signal on NVIDIA with a trading stop between 185 and 180. And then your upside profit targets would be these old support levels that was broken, as well as, let me just move that line down a little bit. So there we go. Yeah, support levels that was broken there, and then the ultimate top here would be your next profit target. So that's the quick move signal on NVIDIA. But as you can see, we've got quite a lot of signals. We can't trade them all, but pick your favorite stocks and just apply the AI principles to it. We know immediately how successful this artificial intelligence engine is. We know in the testing period how many times this trade setup occurred, and we also know what's the probability of success and which particular AI that we're trading on that particular stock. But so far so good, absolutely fantastic returns using the artificial intelligence engine to trade some of those NASDAQ 100 stocks. I see Tesla's also on the list here. It's the 104 classic swing trade signal. It occurred 6,700 times in the testing period. 66% average accuracy, profitability of success. So let's go and take a look at what the AI thinks of it at the moment. Beautiful volatility breakout there. In August, we still long the Tesla stock. Another volatility breakout here in June. Quick move in May. That volatility breakout got stopped out. The major market reversal did make some money. And this, look at this, November captured that entire move on a major market reversal. And the last volatility breakout at the top end of the chart, that got stopped out there. But as you can see, generates absolutely fantastic signals. Trading Tesla, you would have captured most of the moves to the upside. And it's generated absolutely fantastic returns on trading Tesla using artificial intelligence. If any traders wants to get their hands on having your own artificial intelligence engine, go to metastock.com/alphaharvest 3-for-1. We've got a fantastic buy 3 months for the price of one deal on at the moment, and you can try it out and see if the artificial intelligence engine fits your trading style. metastock.com/alphaharvest 3-for-1. This is what the landing page looked like. We've got a 3 months for the price of one deal. Whether you're taking the artificial intelligence engine on a end of day basis, the side, or the real time, if you do high frequency intraday trading, we've got two options for the buy 3 months for the price of one deal on MetaStock platform. So these are the names once again, just to recap some of the most recent trades. Bars tells you how old the trade is. To the older trades, you can see there's quite a lot of familiar names in there. And the AI has generated these all these signals by itself with no human involvement whatsoever. And that's the end of this edition of AI Traders Live. Join me next time for more artificial intelligence trading. Bye for now.